it's Ian, and today I'm here with the thermally insulated lunchbox from Arctic Zone. Now, believe it or not, there's a lot more than meets the eye with this product. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Now, this is gonna keep anything you store in it nice and chilly all day, whether it's food or even those refrigerated medications, thanks to the high-density thermally insulated liner. Plus, this is treated with Microban, a world leader in antimicrobial technology, so this is going to stay nice and clean. And speaking of which, that liner is leak-proof, so it's super easy to clean those condensation messes, accidental leaks and spills. That makes it super convenient. But what really makes this shine is the amount of storage space in this compact form factor. First, I want to talk about my favorite part about this lunchbox, which is the food storage container pouch. This comes with a BPA-free food storage container, which is found conveniently in this side storage pouch. Now, this is great because it's going to save even more space in the main compartment. Now, there are two ways you can close this. The first, using the hook and loop strap, or you can even zipper it to maximize that storage space. But believe it or not, we're not done yet because there's even more storage space. Right in front, you'll find a small zippered pouch, which is perfect for storing those smaller accessories. This is designed to be functional for both kids and adults alike. Take this with you for your lunch at work or even school, and this is perfect for those family outings like those trips to the zoo. Now, Arctic Zone really knocked it out of the ballpark with this one. The storage capacity is virtually unlimited. And thanks to the high-density thermally insulated liner, it's going to keep your food and medication chilly all day long. So don't wait, head on over to Pulse TV and see your incredible deal today.